Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about one of the world's most mysterious places, Area 51 in USA. This secret military base has been surrounded by rumors, theories, even UFO stories. So let's explore what makes it so mysterious. What is Area 51? Area 51 is a highly security US Air Force base in Nevada, in middle of the desert. Its official name is Groom Lake or Homey Airport. The base is very secret. Only government recently admitted that it exists. No one is allowed to enter without permission. Cameras are not allowed. Area is surrounded by warning signs and guards. Scientists and engineers work here on technology that is not known to the public, which adds to the mystery. People outside the base see strange lights or hear unusual sounds, which fuels rumors even more. We may never know for sure. Reality is still unknown. But one thing is very clear. Area 51 will always remain a symbol of mystery, secrecy, and curiosity. As per government, it is military base, but people believe this place is connected to aliens and government experiments. Many people believe US government has alien bodies. There is no official proof, but rumors became very popular worldwide. Even today, Area 51 remains a mystery because government shares very little information. The base is heavily protected. People cannot go inside. This secrecy makes people think if nothing is hidden, why is it so secret? People say US government once captured living alien. Some people say living alien are living in Area 51. They believe scientists did an interview with the alien asking where it came from, why it came to Earth, but no proof exists. But this story is very famous online. Some people say there is a underground laboratory, where alien bodies are stored. Area 51 is often connected with this scary theory. Many people say UFO near Area 51 move in ways that normal planes cannot. Some people believe the objects are not made by humans. For decades, US government refused to talk about Area 51. This silence made people think they are hiding something big, like aliens. Even today, government don't share anything. Some people believe the truth is hidden deep under the desert. Is Area 51 protecting the world or hiding something from world? Maybe aliens are real. The proof is locked behind those gates. That's why this mystery will always remain alive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment below. Please share this video. Take care of yourself and do let me know in comments, do you believe in aliens? Yes or no?